Hi, I'm Jen, a registered dietitian, and I'd like to share with you how to make roasted cauliflower. This recipe came from cookieandcake.com. So let's get started. We're going to first preheat the oven to 425. Then we're going to grab some parchment paper so we can line our cookie sheet with it. This makes for easy cleanup. So let's get started with the cauliflower. You want to make sure you rinse it off first. And then we're going to take a small knife. This is like a paring knife, and we're going to cut at an angle all the way around to get that hard core off, like that. So there might be some green leaves still there. You can pull those off. Go ahead and flip the cauliflower over, and we're going to be careful of your fingers. We're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it in half again. It's going to get messy, just letting you know. So then you take one of the quarters, and if you still have a lot of the core there, you're going to cut some of that off, but don't go too far up or everything will fall apart. So you cut a little bit off. That's looking good. And then we're going to cut these into slices of about a ½ inch thick, like that. And you just do this to all 4 quarters. So, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so when you do this, the important thing, well, you may have some big pieces and you may have some small pieces. That's okay. The important part is that they're the same thickness so that they cook evenly. So you do not want to have a real thin piece and a thick piece, because the thin piece will burn and the thick piece may not get cooked at all. So go ahead and finish cutting all of that. And I'm just going to move this out of the way because I already have some cut up. And go ahead and place all of your pieces of cauliflower on the tray. And the important thing also is that it's flat. So that is where the caramelization is going to be coming from. So we're going to place this on the cookie sheet. And what's so great about cauliflower anyways? Well, let me tell you, it's a great source of vitamin C, like oranges. It's also a source of antioxidants, which may decrease inflammation and protect against diseases like cancer and heart disease. And let's not forget the amazing benefits of fiber. So once you get this all on the tray, you're going to take your oil. You're going to measure about 1 tablespoon, maybe less if you have a smaller amount of cauliflower, and you're just going to drizzle it. Okay? And then we're going to grab some salt and sprinkle it, and a little pepper. And finally, we're going to toss it. Really, that just means moving it around a lot so that you can evenly coat each piece. And then you want to spread it back out so they're not touching. Okay, and now we're just going to put it into the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. And about halfway through, you're going to toss it again. So put this in the oven. And I already have some made to show you. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. Whoops. This color right here, nice golden. That's what makes it taste so good. So that's it. That's how you make roasted cauliflower. Keep a lookout for more easy recipes.